Hi guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'm going to show you how to repost posts and reels on Instagram. First thing is you're going to make sure that your Instagram app is updated. At the bottom of each post now there's a little icon you can click to repost. So right over here. And then we can tag a friend or add a thought. There's a little bubble that pops up and then you can write whatever you'd like into there. And whoever sees this post, they will end up seeing whatever you write there when they see it. Create video. Save. So now your friends could see that post. When you click into the reels at the bottom right here, you can also repost with this button right here. Let's drop an emoji so all your friends can see this. When you see that, they see that you reposted this. So when you go on your main page, some people will have the icon right over around this area to see the repost. Obviously my phone doesn't have that feature, so I'm gonna go right over here where you go into your activity. So I'm gonna click on this and it says repost, so you can see all the videos I have reposted right over here. And then you can click on this, or you can also remove that, select, and then that way you can delete some of the stuff you reposted as well. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today on how to repost. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Have a great day. Bye.